The highly anticipated OnePlus Nord 3 5G is set to be the successor to last year's Nord 2. Leaks and rumors have given us insights into its specifications, launch timeline, and pricing in India. Tipster Yogesh Brar has revealed key details, providing a clear indication of what to expect. Additionally, alleged live images have emerged online, showcasing the phone's design, which bears a striking resemblance to the OnePlus Ace 2V, suggesting a possible rebranding. However, the legitimacy of the source remains questionable as the leaked image features the Chinese variant rather than the global model. The images exhibit a centered punch-hole cutout, flat edges, narrow bezels, and a back panel with two circular camera modules and OnePlus branding. The power button and alert slider are located on the right edge, while the volume rocker may be positioned on the left side. The OnePlus Nord 3 is rumored to launch in India in June with an estimated starting price of 30,000 rupees per Rs 32,000. It is expected to feature a MediaTek Dimensity 9000 SoC, a 6.74-inch display, and Android 13 OS.